guys, what's going on? Matt IRL here. Sorry for the late video, but I'm back again with another video. Now, let's get this going right away. I'm going to do linear equations, word problems today. So let's get started. Number 1. Callie makes $20 an hour work cleaning. The equation y equals 27x represents how much Dan makes per hour. How much more does the person making more money make than the other person within 25 hours of work? Describe who makes more money as well. If you guys were confused in that last part, it's basically saying describe who makes more money and how much more the person makes than the other person. Okay. Now I'm going to give you guys a couple of minutes to think about it. You guys can pause the video to see if you guys can solve it. Okay, I'm assuming you guys have paused the video and tried to figure it out on your own. So let's see the answer. Callie makes $20 an hour. So 20 is our slope. Hang on. Let me just get this back down to the origin. There we go. Okay, so the black line is Callie. And y equals 27x is basically Dan's line. So you can see, obviously, that Dan makes more money, but we don't know how much. Now, we know that this is going to be within 25 hours of work. So $20 an hour for Callie multiplied by 25 hours of work is $500 that Callie makes within 25 hours. And Dan makes $675, and that's within 25 hours as well. And that's a difference of $175. If you don't believe me, I can even check it for you right here. So 25 hours, and I have to see where this ends up. Alright, so we have to go to 500, about there. Okay, now you guys can see 24.32 is the amount of hours that the workers worked, and 486.4 is the amount of money they've been paid for it. So if I go to 25, about there we go. That you can see that Callie gets paid $500 for 25 hours that she's worked. And now let's take a look at Dan's line. I said 675. So that would be about here. There we go. 675 and 25 hours of working, he'd get paid $675. So the difference is $175. Next one. Now let's go to number 2. Robert is looking to get a new internet package. He sees two options. Fiber optics internet has the medium Wi-Fi speed, in which he has to pay $80 a month, while Flopbear's internet has the medium Wi-Fi speed package for $75 a month and a $25 fee for installation. Robert decides to use one of these packages for 1 year. Which one should Robert pick? Okay, now for this one, you can't just eye them and choose one of them. So we have to do the actual math right now. Okay, so I'm gonna, you guys can pause the video, see if you guys can figure this one out, and I will get back to you on this. Okay, assuming you paused the video and figured it out, so here's the answer. Now let's take a look at fiber optics. Each of these packages are medium Wi-Fi speed, meaning they're pretty much the same package, so there's no variation in that. So fiber optics is $80 a month, so 80 is our slope for fiber optics. And Flopper's internet is $75 a month, so that's our slope. But what about the $25 installation fee? Well, $25 is how much Robert has to pay upfront for installation. So that's basically his y-intercept. When he doesn't pay the company at all, he just pays the fee for installation, that'd be $25. That's the y-intercept. So, getting those in, now all we have to do is figure out how much Robert has to pay in 1 year. Now, we can do this linear, the line, and we can do this mathematically. But if we do this mathematically, it would be fairly simple. Now, $75 a month multiplied by 12 months is a total of $900. And an extra $25 is that $925 total that he has to pay for Flopter's internet. But fiber optics is a bit different. 80 multiplied by 12 months is $960. So Flopter's internet is the best way to go. If you don't believe me, you can check it out. Now, 1 year, so all we have to do is go to 12. There we go. And go all the way up. And just about there. Okay, Flopter's internet is $925. You can take a look right here. $925 for Flopter's internet. And for fiber optics, it is $960. $960. So he should use Flopter's internet because it will save him $35 a month that he uses Flopter's internet instead of fiber optics. So that's number 2 cleared. Now this is going to be the final one of this video. Trevor is looking to buy a new car, so he decides to take a loan of $25,000. He takes a look at 2 banks. One of them asks to pay $5,000 in advance and pay $500 a month, while the other one asks to pay $750 a month. Which bank should Trevor go to repay his loan? Which one makes his loan go away faster? Okay, you guys pause the video, see if you can figure it out, and I'll show the answer. Okay, I'm assuming you've paused the video and figured it out. So here is the answer. Now we can do this using the graph, and we can do this mathematically. But let's do it mathematically first. Okay. So we know that there's going to be $25,000 in loan. And in the first bank, he's asking to pay $5,000 in advance. So that means $5,000 is already gone. So $20,000 has to be accounted for, and Trevor's paying that $500 a month. And that's 40 weeks. So that's how much it would take for the first bank. And the second bank asks to pay $750 a month, and there's no advance payment, no down payment. So we just have to divide 25,000 by 750, and we get a very irrational number of 33.33333, and on and on and on. So that would be around 33 weeks. So he would save 7 weeks more if he went to the second bank. So the second bank is the right answer. If you don't believe me, we can do it right here too. So the first bank was 500x plus 5,000. 5,000 is the y-intercept because that's how much Trevor is paying at the beginning, and then he pays $500 slowly and slowly. The second one, y equals 750x, because the 750 is how much he pays per month. So let us go to 5,000 and see for... okay, let's see for ourselves. Okay, so let's see the first bank. Now, I'd said the first bank would take 40 weeks. So let's see if that's correct by using the 40 and seeing when that will reach there. There we go. Okay, so this is the first bank, and it's getting us to 40 weeks. Meanwhile, the second bank is 33 weeks, or at least around there. So 33 weeks is right about... No, hang on. It's almost... There we go. Okay, so let's use this. And you guys already know about the coordinates. Not perfect, but that's around 33 weeks. So Trevor should go to the second bank to pay his loan. And that's all for today. I shall see you in the next video, which will be about the next topic. See you guys later.